Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share my recipe for Norwegian hot chocolate. For this you need 100 grams of chocolate intended for cooking, either light or dark chocolate. I usually make just over 1 liter, which is usually plenty. I prefer the light chocolate as it is sweeter. Break the chocolate up into small pieces and put it in a pot. Then add enough water to just cover the chocolate. Hot chocolate is very simple to make and the recipe is scalable depending on how much you want to make. Melt the chocolate. Don't use too high temperature and remember to stir well or the chocolate will burn. When the chocolate has melted completely and there is none left stuck to the bottom of the pot, add 1 liter of milk. Adding milk with a higher fat percentage will give the hot chocolate a more fulfilling taste. Then stir well until your hot chocolate starts to boil. As a general warning, milk boils very suddenly and quickly, so you have to stay and keep watch over it until it is done. Turning your back for 30 seconds is enough for your delicious hot chocolate to become a very messy kitchen. Hot chocolate is often had with lunch or a kveldsmat. Many people in Norway like to have it alongside bread with brunost, which is brown cheese if translated directly to English. It is a traditional Norwegian cheese. If you have ever tried brown cheese, you will know not everybody likes it. Personally, I like the milder variant with hot chocolate. Norway is a very cold country, especially during the late fall, all of winter and early spring. One thing that helps with the cold is a warm and delicious cup of hot chocolate. Once it boils, immediately take it off the stove top. Your hot chocolate is done now. Hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like the video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye. Once it boils, immediately take it off the stove top. Your hot chocolate is done now.